Baby, don't the words start to stress me out. It's you, boy, without a doubt, who keeps me sane and I can't complain. What's up, Real Ones? Thank you so much for coming back. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Angie Mar, and on this channel I recreate makeup and hairstyles done on A-list celebrities by the world's best makeup artists and hairstylists. And I do some bomb wig transformations, so be on the lookout for that. So if that sounds like your type of content, boo, hit the subscribe button. Like, what you doing? Like, come on. But in the meantime, in between time, let's get started. So as you see by the title, the celebrity, this look that I'll be recreating is Ashanti. And she is, everybody knows who Ashanti is. If you don't know who Ashanti is, I don't know what your problem is, boo. The makeup artist who did her makeup her name is Angie Mar. And she does Ashanti's makeup really, really bomb. Like, I've seen, this is my favorite look by her, obviously because I'm recreating it. But she does that really bold look, and it looks bomb. It don't look like Instagram makeup, even though it's really bold and out there. Like, it looks really, really bomb. Like, it would look well on a red carpet, like flash photography proof type makeup. Like, it don't look like just that Instagram makeup. Like, boo is popping, okay? So now that you know about the artist whose work I'll be recreating and the muse, let's get into it. So we're gonna prime first, boo, because we gotta make sure it's staying put. Because this is a very beat, full coverage, all the way to the T type of look. So I'm gonna prime because Ashanti is a performer. So clearly she needs her makeup to stay on all day. So I'm sure that she'll be primed up. Okay, now that we primed, I am going to set my primer so that it don't move, because that'll be bad. Always got to set your primer in your oily spots, especially if you're an oily skin girl like me. We're gonna set this with a powder that is translucent to my chocolate skin. So basically just doing around all the oily parts, not just random places on your face. You don't want that. And then I correct with a complexion shade that's my color. So I gotta get rid of these dark circles, otherwise it's gonna go through my foundation, and that's not a good look, honey. And then around the lip, around the mouth. So with her look, she got I love when makeup artists do freaking eyeliner with, I can't wait to do the eyeliner part, because I freaking love when makeup artists, or in general, just do the eyeliner with lipstick, like a liquid lipstick. That's so bomb. That's kind of my favorite thing when makeup artists do. That looks so good. So now you should look half corrected and then half ashy, and then you'll know that you're on the right track. Okay, if you're not looking a little ash at this point, you ain't doing it right. Let me get this popping. All right, foundation. Definitely got to go full coverage with this look. I am such a makeup artist. I love putting my foundation. I'm not a fan of putting stuff on the back of my hand. I always put it on this little middle palette. Because, when you're a makeup artist, you got to be sanitary. So you got to make sure that you ain't putting it on your hands, contaminating clients, getting people sick and breaking out. Baby, I did not play when it came to sanitation as a makeup artist. Oh, also by Angie, another celebrity she does is Keisha Kayor. And Keisha, baby, Keisha be beat. Keisha be hair be laid, outfits be popping. Keisha don't play when it comes to looking good. Okay, but she does Keisha's makeup a lot. If you guys don't know her, she also has a cosmetic line. She's an entrepreneur. She does waist, I don't know what you call it, waistbands or something. Yeah, she does that as well. Keisha is a really bomb entrepreneur. But yeah, back to Angie, the bomb makeup artist I love. Yeah, she's a really bomb makeup artist. I think she's based out of New York. I could be wrong, but I've been following her for her work for a while. And this specific look is very old that she did on Ashanti, but I've always wanted to recreate it, but I've just been broke. And now that I have the funds and the resources to recreate this, because if you guys don't know, in addition to me recreating these looks, I also like to purchase the products that the makeup artist uses So I'm trying to make sure I, you know, to really get the full effect and not just recreating the look. I like to use the same products as much as possible. The products that I'm interested in using, you know, that really make the look come about, and you'll see that later. And kind of look crazy in orange. You know what? It's about that time that I switch foundations because it's hot outside and I take runs in the afternoons when like the sun is still out, so I could be looking a little orange, so excuse me, okay? Excuse me, because my foundation is a little light because I'm tanning. So okay, so now I'm going to conceal underneath. Ooh, I love this concealer so freaking much. This e.l.f. concealer, boo, is bomb. That's your granddaddy, okay? It's bomb. So this, we definitely have to let this set. Okay, so as we let that sit, we're gonna contour. So you let that sit, because if you just blend it right away, then you're gonna burn product away, and then it's gonna also take away from your foundation. And we don't wanna waste products because makeup is expensive. And when you got like a bigger chin, a fat face like me, you wanna do underneath. You don't wanna do just like right. You wanna do up underneath. Get rid of that, you know, thickness up under there. And I like to blend out my contour with a brush. Damn, leave, like chill out. Don't mind my lace on the side, okay? That's gonna be covered up. Don't be clocking me. I know, I see it, okay? I see it. I didn't do a great job at tinting this wig, so that's like what I really need to work on with wigs is the most, is tinting. So then when I blend it out, I start with the chin. We're gonna do the chin and then bring it up the nose, boo-boo. Bring it up the nose and then that forehead. I'm a member of the 5-head club, so I gotta make sure that that's gone. Okay. I don't want to be a member of the 5-head club. Unfortunately, I was forced into this cult of 5 heads. I mean, shout out to my 5-head people, but I didn't ask to be here, okay? I didn't ask to be here. Unfortunately, you know, you don't get to choose your forehead shape, unfortunately. Alright, so I like to blend inward for my contour, not out. I mean, my highlight, not outward. I'm kind of like gathering the product upwards instead of like spreading it. And I'm very yellow. I know, but we're gonna get it together. So now that that's blended out with the rest of it, I just take that contour brush, well, not line, I take my foundation and get rid of it. So like, also go around like to, you know, mesh all the lines together so I ain't looking crazy. Okay, boo-boo, we got our face on. Now we gotta set our face, boo-boo. Okay, so to set, Anastasia powder, of course. And I am a brush girl when it comes to my loose powder. First thing I do, get the chin, drain the nose down, boom, boom, boom. Get that 5-head ready. Go away, go away. Okay. And then, I'm a press and roll girl when it comes to setting underneath my eye. So first I literally like put it in my eye. In my eye, what the hell am I talking about? In my creases, you know, all up under here. And then I press, I'm basically like dabbing it on there to like actually set the freaking concealer. You know this looks crazy? But I got mad creases underneath my eyes, so I gotta like look upward and look like. Anyway, now, because I know I'm about to put on some eyeshadow and stuff to release fallout, that's gonna release some fallout, so I put this like right here. Okay, now that we got that done, it's time to snatch the face, honey. So we're trying to be skinty in the face, okay? I'm trying to disguise that big ass breakfast I have no business eating this morning, because God knows I'm trying to get skinny. Like, but you know, sometimes stuff happens, okay, boo? Stuff happens, and there's nothing you can do about it. You can only think about the next meal. You can't be pondering on what had happened was. Okay, you gotta keep going. Ooh, what you doing? Okay. So boom. Do that thing like this here. Okay. Face is contoured. Put the brows on. This Uoma brow. This right here, baby. This is probably one of the best brow products I've ever tried, like in life. It's so, ooh, it's just so precise with it, and it's black owned, boo. We love a black owned brand. We love a black owned brand. So my eyebrows aren't done, so if they don't look perfect, it's because they look crazy, and it's not much I can do. So Ashanti'S brows look pretty, like, they're not looking natural, so they look pretty, I don't even know what the look is called. They're filled in very well. We're just going to put it that way because I can't find the right words right now. Okay, let me do my, okay, brows is on, so secure them. We got to add our brow gel. Okay, I'm a brow gel girl because I have an oily T-zone and my eyebrows will sweat the hell off, and that's like a waste of products because I'm poor and don't nobody got money to buy hella brow products. Okay, so we're gonna move to my favorite part of the eyebrows because they look, I mean, I said eyebrows, the eyes, because it just looks so bomb. Like, she's such a bomb makeup artist. Oh my god, I love her so much. Okay, so moving on to the eyeshadow palette. This is literally like one of the best palettes ever created in life. So like I said, guys, I'm going to be using some products that she used on Ashanti. So here are some of the products that I'll be using, because I feel like these are key products that like really bring the look together. Like, without these products, you ain't really doing the look right. Like, you can recreate it, but is you really recreating it? Is you really? Is you? Who is this? Who this is? Okay, anyway. So boom. We finna get it popping. So I'm gonna take the lightest brown shade, and that's gonna be the base. We need a base first because I got this yellow ass concealer. So we're gonna base that thing down like this here. Okay, now with the darker brown shade, we got some crease action. Ooh, this thing pigmented, boy. Okay, hold on. Hold on now. And with this brown shade, like, a little goes a long way. So you really, this eyeshadow powder is one of them buildable things. You don't want to just be dipping your eyeshadow brush up in there and next thing you know, the whole palette gone. So build that thing up, sis. I don't really got like a cut crease situation or nothing. It's kind of like all the colors are like gradually just blended. Here we go, right here. Here we go, right here. Here we go. Okay, so we have our eyes on. So now for the fun part is we're gonna do our eyeliner. Okay, so first I'm just gonna take like a black regular eyeliner to be our guide. So we're just gonna do a regular wing. So we're gonna do that first in a very like thin wing, as thin as possible. Because she has like a double eyeliner look. Like, it looks like it's the black eyeliner and then the pink one on top of it. Okay, so now that we got our base eyeliner on, it's time for the fun part. So this is a liquid liner from Anastasia in the color Rio. So what I'm gonna do is dip a eyeliner brush into, well, how should I do this? I'm gonna put it on here and dip the eyeliner. Okay, so this part is gonna be time lapse because I gotta be focused for this pink eyeliner because there ain't no going back with this. Ain't no going back. Okay, hold on. Let me get ready. Let me do a thinner pencil. Okay, so let's do this pink liner. Okay, it looks very sloppy, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back with that black liner and kind of like clean it up. So we're gonna see a regular wing. So we're gonna do that first in a very like thin wing, as thin as possible. Cause she has. So now we gotta do lashes. I'm using the same lashes she used, the Miami lashes in Hollywood. These are, ooh, these is about to be bomb, boo. These right here, these are some bomb lashes. So I'm gonna put these on and then I'm gonna come right back. Okay, so I put my lashes on and I also swept away the powder and put on some eyeliner. Okay, so in addition to the Dose of Color palette, she also used the Dose of Color highlighter that comes with the collection. So first I'm going to put some in my inner tear ducts because I feel like she has some in there. And then of course we're going to highlight just a tad bit. We don't want to be OD with it because then we're going to be looking crazy. So I kind of just like to put mine right here. And then I like it on my nose. I like to shine bright like Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. Okay, we're coming to an end. Okay, so to basically wrap it up, we're gonna line our lips. Okay, lips need, ooh, wrong lip liner, ooh, hold on. Okay. So, Chestnut is like the staple for chocolate girls. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure any black girl, like any chocolate girl into makeup uses Chestnut. Like, it's just a staple. With all the MAC switcheroos and reformulas, this is gonna always hold it down. Okay, then pop our gloss on, boo boo. We's coming to the ends. How do I say goodbye? Okay, so gloss. Ooh, it's so pink. I love me a pink gloss, boo, with a brown lip. That's what, ooh, that's my shit. Okay. Okay, so with this, all right, so I'm done with the makeup, so let me fully transform into Ashanti and I'll be right back. Okay, boo, girl, I'm Ashanti. You can't tell me I'm not her doppelganger. You just can't. You cannot. These flyaways is getting on my nerves, but guys, I think I did a good job of recreating this look. Like, this look was so fun to do. What's on my teeth? It was so fun to do, and I just think I did a good job. And Angie's such a bomb makeup artist, girl. Thank you for doing that look on Ashanti, giving me some content to play with. But girl, y'all have to follow Angie. She's such a bomb makeup artist. I'm telling you, she's so bomb. It looks, oh my goodness, I can't believe I finally got to do this look. I finally got the resources to get the products and have to film it how I wanted to. Like, y'all can't tell me I'm not Ashanti, boo. Let me sing a couple songs. Baby, 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 baby. Baby, baby, baby. Hey, hey, hey. Baby, 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 baby. But anyway, thank you guys so much for getting to this part of the video. Follow Angie, like I said 1,000 times, follow her. She's such a bomb makeup artist. She does really bomb looks on Ashanti. She has other looks on Ashanti, so if you want to see what else she does on her, definitely follow her on Instagram. So in the meantime, in between time, check out the freaking videos in my playlist. Like, what are you doing? Don't you want to see more celebrity makeup transformations? Like, I'm already Ashanti. Who knows who I'll be next week? Who knows? Who knows? But you won't know until you check the videos out in the playlist. All right.